Hello everyone, here I am with another tutorial for the day. So introducing my stationery that I use, the Staedtler 6B pencil for the drawing, Posca pens for the outline, and the Doms eraser to erase any of the extra lines. And also the Staedtler color pencils. Here are the color pencils that I use to color my drawings. So all the links for these products are available in the description. If you want to have the same products, you can order it from there. Starting with the drawing. So first we are making the basic structure. For the figure, we are making a boy playing lawn tennis. So making a circle for the face and a slanting line for the body. This is a small slanting line for the shoulder. First we are making a stick figure, which will make it easier for us to draw the whole figure nicely. So the upper part of the body and now the legs. As this is an action figure, so we are not making the straight legs. The boy is playing so the legs are going to be a bit slanting. Now we are making the lines for the arms. Again, it's an action figure, so we are making slanting lines and showing him holding the tennis racket. So just drawing the basic lines for the tennis racket. We are making it with the pencil first so that there is no confusion, and in case if we end up doing any mistake, it's easier to erase the pencil lines. So once you are done with the basic structure with the pencil, then you can, if you are confident with the lines, you can start with the detailing and the outlines with the black pen. So we are starting with the ear, making a curve for the ear, and then a slanting line on the top of the circle is for the cap. So now making the hair part, just follow the lines, just focus on the movement of the lines and it will be very easy for you to draw. Now we are just giving the detail of the face. Make sure that all the lines are within the circle. Now we have to add a cap, so obviously the cap is going to be on above the head. So we are making another curved line which is little higher than the circle and just giving some details for the cap. We do not need all the lines, so that is why we are making it with the pencil first, and whichever lines we don't require, we will erase them later. Now to make the eyes and to make sure that they are equal, we are making two slanting lines with the pencil, giving the detail of the cap. Now the lines that we drew for the eyes, we are going to draw circles in it, and the curve for the eyeball, and again the curve on top of the circles for the eyebrows, a nose and a mouth. So just follow the lines, it's very easy. Now giving the detail of the clothes, here we draw the collar. So again it's a little slanting line and another slanting line joining with the face. Adding the sleeves. Just make sure you're following the basic structure that you made with the pencil. Stick figure actually makes it very easy to make any of the figures, be it action figures, sitting figures, standing figures. Just follow the lines Just making the another arm, and it's holding the racket, so the handle of the racket will not be visible. A part of it will not be visible, the upper part is going to be visible, giving the outline for the racket. Just follow the basic shape that you made with the pencil, and around it we are giving the detail. Adding the strings of the racket with the standing and a little slanting lines on the sides, and then adding the sleeping lines to cover the whole area. Now once we are done with the racket, we are just finishing with the detail of the clothes, finishing with the t-shirt and now the shorts. So just making the lines around the stick figure that we drew, just to maintain the posture of the figure. We are not going to change the angle of the legs, just making it around the stick figure the lines of the stick figure that we drew. Now adding the detail of the shoes. He's playing a sport, so we are going to draw the sport shoes. So adding the details here. Adding a line for the socks and making the another leg. Just look at the lines carefully. Slanting line here, and for the shoe, adding a sole of the shoe and the same details that we have given on the first shoe, and the line for the socks. Also now we'll make the shadow. So we just have to make an oval here and few more lines into it, and that's it. So basically we are done with the drawing. Just a part of cap which is left to outline. So we are done with the drawing of the boy. Now we can just erase the extra lines, all the helping lines that we made at the starting of the drawing, because as we start with the coloring we don't need these lines. I hope you're liking the video and understanding the instructions nicely. And if you like the video, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now we are starting with the coloring using the Staedtler Luna pencils. So just color it in one direction without leaving any spaces. You can choose the colors of your choice. There is no restriction there that you have to do the same colors. You can do any colors of your choice. And do let me know in the comment section how you liked the video, your reviews for the video, and what you want me to draw in my next tutorial. giving black color in the hair. For the smoothness in your coloring, do not leave any white spaces and try to do it in one direction, whichever direction you start in with it, starting it in, be it the standing lines or the sleeping lines or the slanting lines. Just make sure that you're doing it in one direction and not leaving any spaces. Like I said before, you can decide the color of the clothes as per your choice, as per your wish. So here we are doing the last shade in the shadow for this drawing. And once again, if you like the video, do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for regular updates. And if you want me to draw anything particular, just let me know in the comment section, and all the links for the stationery that I am using are available in the description. You can order it from there and have a great experience. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.